We're in the process of building out our proposed alternate HSA base plan, where we want to build a plan group that uses a $4,000 deductible HSA plan as a replacement for their current $2,000 base plan. So we've just added the plan through Add Plan Design Wizard. And remember that when we add a new plan design using the Wizard, the default premium share is 100% employer paid. If I come into premium share, note I'm going to see the premium percentage as 100%. I'm going to come back to the plan design. Now note that we copied over the enrollment from the base plan. Since this is a replacement for the base plan, we're going to go ahead and use those same enrollment counts. But the idea behind this is that if I wanted to show us going to a single option, I could go ahead and click right on these enrollment counts and enter in the totals and show this as a single plan replacement. Since we decided that our proposed options are going to continue to use the $1,000 deductible buy-up plan, what we want to do is we want to be able to incorporate in that $1,000 buy-up plan. All right, that's why our plan group cost is so low. We only have the one plan design in it. Now, we want to add the $1,000 buy-up plan, but we want to make sure that it meets our budget. So we already have created that. So here's another opportunity to copy a plan design. So notice that Renewal at Budget already has the $1,000 buy-up plan. So I'm going to click on the $1,000 buy-up plan. This is already adjusted to budget. So I'm just going to go ahead right here in the plan design option for our 1,000 buy-up, and I'm going to copy it from Renewal at Budget. And now I'm going to choose Proposed Alternate HSA Base Plan. So I'm copying that design from Renewal at Budget. When we copy the design, everything goes with it, including premium share. So now I'm going to close Renewal at Budget by clicking on the header. And notice now in my Proposed Alternate HSA Base Plan, I now have my $1,000 buy-up. If I click on Show Combined Enrollment, notice my 1,000 buy-up plan has already been adjusted to budget. It was adjusted before we copied it. So I'm going to come back to the 4,000 HSA plan. Notice we're over budget because of the fact that our default premium share is 100%. So I'm going to go ahead now and come into premium share, and I now am going to use the employer percentage of premium, the default being 100, and simply click Solve to Budget. And now I have that HSA plan adjusted to budget. If I come out of combined enrollment, we can see that. And now we can see what the employee cost would be for this $4,000 deductible HSA plan. So we added the $4,000 deductible plan. We added it new and entered in the benefit information. Okay, we created the differential premium of 18.2% less than the 2000 base plan. And then in order to keep the pairing that we want to present, we copied the 1,000 buy-up plan from Renewal at Budget. So we now have a proposed plan group that is already adjusted to budget using a replacement HSA plan design here to be able to deliver a better plan for the employee. Now, since we're dealing with a fixed employer budget and both these plan designs cost the same amount, what we're really saying is when we want a better plan for the employee, it's either going to be better out-of-pocket cost or lower premium or a combination of both. Well, in this case, what we've done is we've taken our budget dollars and solved this plan back to budget and used all of our budget dollars to create the lowest cost version of this plan. Now, the next lessons are going to involve creating different variations using the same HSA 4000 plan as a base and the $1,000 buy-up plan that's already been adjusted to budget. So the next lessons will walk us through how we'll be able to add on funding and how we'll be able to make different variations of this plan, but always be able to come back and focus in on, again, not only how the employer's cost is impacted, but how the employee's costs are impacted in terms of claims and in terms of premium cost as well.